Dong tabs. Bakit tingin mo train mo lang alam mo? Go, go! Kailan ka kain? Kailan pa lang ka? Pero minukha ka na patuloy. Oras ka, di puyat pa din.
Student niya pa yun. Ibig sabihin magaling yung turo. JR Barba Academy, enroll na kayo for your summer classes. Enroll na kayo dito sa Balili Bike Park. Sir, yung camera, sir! I-exit, sir. Sir. Layo po, layo. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Jan Aaron Bendijo! 3 minutes and 22 seconds! 21 seconds. 3 seconds.
Isang reel yun eh.
JR Barba.
Hanapin ko yun para sa'yo.
Alden Comeros coming up next, rider number 53. Kapit lang guys. May tatlo pa.
Huh?
May dalawang national team pa. At isang rider named Alden Comeros. Third. Anal? Rider number 53, Alden Comeros. Another jumper. Woo! Third in position with third in position, Alden Comeros with 3 minutes and 21 seconds, .441. Second place currently is 3 minutes 21 seconds, .300. Split second again.
You just have to make sure that
Split second. Once again. Up next we got rider from the Philippine national team, John Dirk Farr. Let's wait. Pressure is on sa national team. SEA Games kasi this year. Ayan na, Jerick Farr for the jumper.
Kapoy na magdudulod.
Point.
Dito sa taan din ang
Cherry Chen, the leader! 3 minutes 18 seconds, .738, and JR is 3 minutes 18 seconds, 902. Another split second finish. Grabe, pang SEA Games na eh! Thailand tayo, SEA Games. And of course, our seeding run leader, Nino Martin Eda, hindi magpapatalo. 318 din siya sa seeding. You never know, ano kaya? Grabe. Ayan na po! Nino Martin Eda at Philippine National Team!
3:17.
3 Heroes champion for Men Elite Downhill! And the birthday boy! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Dave! Grabe, pinang birthday talaga! Congratulations! Palakpakan natin ating Men Elite! Maraming salamat po. You are here at the Asia Mountain Bike Series Dirt Heroes International Bike.io right here in Balili Bike Park.
Boys, any boys?
So now we're gonna start tallying everything. All the marshals and medics can now start coming down. Thank you, Lord. Wala tayong major crashes, no major degrees. Thank you so much. So much na mag-guide sa atin. And thank you to all the volunteers that came out here sharing to beat the awesome documentation. Thank you so much for everybody. Now we're here for the preparation of our awarding ceremonies, and we'll see you in a few minutes. For just few photographs, the winners, you must wear your race kit, no hats, no shades, and closed shoes. So for the riders,
Pa yun na. Ayan na.
yung picture. Grabe naman yun. Pang-sigers na. Grabe lang. Yan. Again, reminder to you, for staging, riders.